So why you should use an independent mortgage broker, like let's say somebody that works for Verico or one of these other, other companies out there, is because those guys, what they do is, see, when you go to the bank, the guy, let's say you go to a certain bank, for example, you go to CIBC, and I don't know how they do things, or let's say you go to a BMO. For the most part, those guys are offering you that bank's mortgage products. So they might have a variable, they might have a fixed, they're just giving you that. And there's nothing, most of them, they're pretty comparative in terms of rate and terms and stuff like that. When you go to an independent mortgage broker, what he does, he takes your application once. He pulls your credit once. And then what he does, he actually goes to all the banks that he deals with. Most of the time it's 70, 80, 90 banks. He goes to all of them. They don't actually go to all of them physically, but they know that, hey, you have good credit, you have a job, you have a down payment, you're good, everything looks great. I know these banks are the best rates, that we're gonna give you the best rates. It's not always about the best rate as well. He might just say, okay, what is your long-term plan? Oh, you wanna refinance? Or you wanna be an investor after this? Great, you know what? Maybe we shouldn't put it in a locked thing, in a locked product, we should put it in a variable product where you can have some flexibility. So, when you're going to a bank, he only has 4, 5, 6 products that he can offer you. He doesn't have that much flexibility. And the best thing about the people I use is that I can tell you in the last 4 months, 5 months, even basically when they can't do the deal, they can't help you, there's some banks that don't deal with independent brokers, and you'll say, look, I'm pretty sure this, Van City or BMO or whoever it is, they're gonna help you. I know they have the product. So they're really like amazing advisors that work for free. They don't cost you anything. So I highly recommend you give them a shot, because I can't tell you how many times they've saved our clients' butts by coming in there. Supposedly the person was approved by a bank, and then the bank changes their mind. So highly recommend you use an independent broker. You have nothing to lose, really.